Hey guys, welcome to Laliland. Come join me in the kitchen. Let's go in the kitchen today. Come on. So recently I bought KNOW Waffles. I have not had waffles in over 4 months since starting keto. I want to show you guys what KNOW Waffles are, just in case you haven't tried them or heard about them. I heard about them when I went into GNC. I've seen ads, but I went to GNC one night and they were like, have you heard of these? We have a lady that comes in that does keto and she buys them all. Do you want one? Before she gets to them, I was like, yes, I do. They're expensive. I didn't ask the price, but they were like $9.99 for 4 waffles. But let's check it out. Whoops. What was that? My Jimmy Deans. Oh my goodness. All right, here they are. No better waffles. 18 grams protein per waffle, 12 fiber, 4 net carbs. Ingredients: water, almonds, allulose. Allulose is a sugar substitute that does not affect your glucose levels. Dried egg whites. All right, good stuff. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Let's see what it looks like. Little freezer burn, but that's okay. My New Wave oven is my best friend, so that's what I'm going to use to toast this up on each side. I'm gonna kind of make it up as I go. It says, oh, it says nothing. Just refrigerate after purchase or freeze for a longer life. Okay. Side note, while that cooks, I made a whole bunch of fat bombs for the week. I made these last night. So I hope they taste as good as they look. God, I want to eat one right now. This one's a little messed up, so I'm good. Lily's chocolate chips melted with Smucker's natural peanut butter, mixed with melted coconut oil, and some monk fruit. Pink Himalayan on top. Delicious. And I haven't eaten yet today. It's 1 p.m. I'm ready for my waffle. Hurry up. Alright guys, I did 5 minutes on one side. I'm gonna turn her over to the other side. Alright, let's cook this side for 5 and see if she's crispy enough. I don't know why I keep calling her a she. She's a she. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh, 1 minute left. I can smell it. It smells so good. It doesn't really smell like a waffle like we're all used to, like an Eggo waffle when we were doing the standard American diet. This just smells really just good. I got my butter ready. I got my butter ready. Here it is. If it were up to me, I would cook it a little more, but I'm too hungry. Let's eat this. I seem to do these videos when I'm home alone, so let me feed myself. It's not an Eggo. I feel like I need a waffle maker to make these myself so I don't spend $10 for 4, but they're big. But they're good. I'm gonna go enjoy this in the other room. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you've tried the waffles from KNOW and what your recipe is when you make your own. And let me know if you've tried the KNOW waffles and what you think of them. I like them. I think they're tasty. The aftertaste is not bad. Lots of butter and syrup help. And if anyone wants to donate a waffle maker, let me know. Have a good day, guys. Thanks. Bye. now that I'm sitting down and enjoying it a little bit more, I really like them. Now I see why the lady at GNC goes in and buys them all. I'll have to beat her to the punch. I appreciate you hanging out with me again. Please subscribe. I appreciate it. Mikey appreciates it. We appreciate it. Do I have waffle in my tooth?